What's going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel, and today I'll be sharing with you the 4 main reasons why I think Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF, has been on an absolute tear recently. I mean, we finished Tuesday's session up over 5.83%, and in after hours trading, we are currently up almost 8%. And for the week, we are up over 19% in just 1 week. I mean, this is truly incredible to see. So make sure you stay until the end to find out what these 4 main reasons are and what my price predictions are for this stock in the short to medium term. With all that said, before we jump into it, make sure that you join my Discord group where we discuss stocks like Tattooed Chef, and it's currently free to join. So make sure you jump in if you are interested. Don't forget to destroy that like button. It lets me know that you enjoy this type of content. And if you are new to the channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all the stocks that I am buying, selling, and all the stocks that are on my watch list. Now, we've covered all of that. Let's jump into the video. So the first main reason for Tattooed Chef's incredible run-up in share price recently is due to the fast approaching Analyst Day. Tattooed Chef will be hosting Analyst Day on December the 15th, 2020. It'll be at 10 a.m. Pacific time, which as of the time of recording this video is literally just 1 week away. So Analyst Day is typically a day event whereby the CEO, so in this case Sam Galetti, and other VIP members of the company, and I would imagine Sarah Galetti will also be present because she is pretty much the creator behind the amazing Tattooed Chef brand and products. They will essentially present to a live audience of analysts and investors the overall financial projections and also the fundamental health of the business, and their goal is to try to provide an accurate direction of where the company is headed. Now, I am almost certain that this will be a virtual event for obvious reasons, and if you are interested in potentially attending the event, you can do so by visiting the investor relations page on Tattooed Chef's website. And once you're on the website, all you have to do is click on events and presentation, and you will find the Analyst Day in the upcoming events section. Now again, this will be 10 a.m. Pacific time, and so for us in the UK, that will be 6 p.m. in the evening or 1800. So make sure you schedule this into your calendars, and I will try my best to make myself available. And if I am, then potentially, we could watch it together by doing a live stream. Again, I can't guarantee that I'll be available, but I will try to make something happen. So my second reason for why Tattooed Chef has been on an absolute tear recently is in anticipation of Analyst Day. So certain analysts are already setting their price predictions, and they're also already setting their buy, hold, sell, their underperform ratings ahead of time. And according to a recent article that revealed ratings from these top 2 analysts, one analyst rated Tattooed Chef as a hold and the other rated Tattooed Chef as a buy. So none of the analysts available rated Tattooed Chef as a sell or possibly an underperform. And this is also backed up by some data provided by Market Watch. And as you can see on Market Watch, within the last month, Tattooed Chef still remains a strong buy or at the very least a strong hold. So this is very, very good to see. And I believe this will give investors a lot more confidence in possibly backing this company with an investment. Now, taking a look at some of the price targets that's been set. The highest price target that we have is currently sat at $26 a share, which as of Tuesday's closing price, that would represent a nearly 50% upside, which is incredible. I mean, that would be pretty amazing, especially if we can hit that before the end of the year. So the medium price target, however, is sat at $21.50. And that's not too bad as well, because that would also represent a 25% upside from where we closed on Tuesday. And again, I would not complain about that at all. And the lowest price target that we have has been set at $17 a share, which, to be fair, we've already blown past that in after hours trading. So I would pretty much disregard that price target for now. But overall, it looks like the general sentiment towards Tattooed Chef right now is shifting from a Jim Cramer report and the short seller report to now very bullish, and rightly so, because I believe this is a phenomenal company that has only just scratched the surface. It's only getting started, so there's a ton of room for growth. And my third reason is down to an interview that the CFO had with another investor and also YouTuber called Lincoln Daniel, so shout out to Daniel. And Daniel asked him about his expansion plans into Europe. And to summarize, in that interview, the CFO reiterated the point that predominantly all of their products are made in Italy, and then these products are then sent over to their headquarters in California. But he has already said that they have begun expansion into Europe, and that apparently there are already a few products selling in the UK. Now, I'll be honest, good luck if you can find a Tattooed Chef product in any of the UK's supermarkets. And if you do, please let me know, because I have searched and I have had zero luck. But if he's saying we're selling in the UK, then maybe. So let me know if you know where they are. But overall, it is a plus that they are already making steps into Europe. And he did say that serious expansion into Europe would likely be in 2022. But we can expect to roll out in 2021, but it will be really ramped up in 2022. To which, to be honest, is great for analysts and investors to see, because if there's one thing investors love apart from rising revenues and earnings, is expansion plans. So my fourth reason was a recent announcement on the Tattooed Chef Instagram page, where they said there are new products that are being launched on their e-commerce site. Now, if you're unaware, Tattooed Chef only recently just launched their e-commerce site on the 26th of October, which is less than 2 months from the time of recording this video. And that was one of the main critiques that people had. People who are bearish on the company, that's one of the main critiques they had of this company, is that how can a company with a market cap of this size basically not have an e-commerce site? And to be honest, these are valid concerns and valid worries, but what I saw was a company that's managed to grow its revenues, a company that's managed to pretty much grow its revenues year on year by double-digit figures, a company that has been killing it as a private label product and also now as a branded product. Think about it, this was all achieved without a website. So it makes me very, very curious to see what they can achieve with an e-commerce website. I expect the revenue growth will go through the roof. And I think investors are starting to see this as well. So when you're seeing news of more and more products being added to their e-commerce website, for me, it spells customer interest, it spells customer demand, and it also spells an increase in sales and revenue. So those are the 4 main reasons why I think right now the overall sentiment towards Tattooed Chef is becoming very, very bullish, and why we're seeing this incredible run up to the upside. Now, for my price predictions, I am long-term bullish on Tattooed Chef. But with that said, in the short term, I do see 3 key levels that we would need to work hard to actually break through. And the first key price level that I see is at $20 a share. We have seen multi-day support turn resistance at this level. And if we can break through $20 a share, then I believe it's pretty much plain sailing to $22 a share. And I think at $22 a share, we will face very, very strong resistance as well. And it might take us, I reckon it might take us to Analyst Day next week. And if we can secure an overwhelmingly positive review from the analysts, I reckon that we will have enough strength to break through that support, at which point I don't really see anything else stopping us on the road to $26 a share, which of course represents the top analyst price target. So those are my short-term price predictions. Let me know in the comment section below what your price targets are and what your price predictions are for Tattooed Chef by the end of 2020 going into 2021. But with all that said, please make sure that you do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you decide to invest in any stock or any company. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational and not investing advice. And if you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below, including some books that I highly recommend. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. It really helps me out. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. And also if you are a Tattooed Chef investor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.